Okay, so tell me about it.
Yeah, so it was at the back of the truck. Not this one, there was one over there.
Yeah, and
We
it's been to
found
Macquarie,
so
Port Macquarie,
yeah, Lake Macquarie, yeah,
Lake
yeah,
Macquarie last night.
yeah. But I don't know if it was from there or
Well,
the guys. So it was actually situated here this morning, just there
okay,
laying
so
down.
it could be from here,
Yeah, could be from anywhere really, but now it's
okay,
in a
but we'll have a
box.
look at the species.
Yep.
Yep,
Sorry, yeah, it's quite slippery. So
yep, okay.
yeah,
And I can see you didn't want it escaping.
yeah, that's right. I didn't want to waste your time.
No. All right, just put it somewhere in the light for a second
Yep.
so I can see what I'm doing. Hello, little one. What are these little spots? Oh, they're just bits of fluff, I think. Let me have a look at you. I don't know. Let me have a look. Looks like a Gould swaddled bat, which so it could be from here. Let me have a look at your ears first. A little Gould swaddled bat. Female, I think.
Look at his teeth.
Look at the teeth, yeah. Look at that.
They can bite you.
They can. Just checking that there's no penis. Okay. Okay.
Can't you get an infection if you touch it like that? Or
No, you can only get it if you're bitten or scratched by a bat that's actively sick, and fewer than 1% have the virus. So
yeah, yeah.
I don't know what those little white marks are, but... So what was the truck doing up at Port Macquarie or Macquarie Lakes or wherever it was?
So we're just painting the road. So that's what we do up there for the council.
Oh, painting the road.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So we're line marking. That's the line marking truck. So that's going to be going out
Again today.
shortly, actually.
Okay, let me just have a look at you for a second, sweetheart. I just want to look at her wings. And there is no biting Meg. There is no biting Meg. Oh, okay. She's got a fracture in her elbow. See, look.
Wow.
So she might have smacked into the truck.
That would have hurt her,
Yeah, well, we can't fix fractures like that. Not in the joints. And she's got significant bruising there, so I think she smacked into your truck.
Yeah.
Oh, sweetheart. Hmm? Right. Go in there. Go in.
She won't be able to fly at the moment.
She won't be able to fly again. We can't fix it.
So what happens with someone like
She'll be euthanized.
Yeah.
It's not a lot of... there's nothing else we can do. It's not like you can keep them as pets. Okay. So, at least she won't be suffering anymore. That's a nasty fracture, though, in her elbow.
Yeah.
Little darling. This is the elbow fracture, and I think there's one in the shoulder as well. So there's a fracture through the elbow. Oh, and I can feel some bones sticking out there. So at the top of the humerus as well. Hmm. Oh, little dog. This Gould swaddled bat has got a fractured elbow. Open fracture, several spots. Also other trauma.